Every time we try and forget about him, he's in our faces ranting and raving again.
Yeah, well, I don't suppose it helps him being over the road.
No.
Maybe we should think about moving sometime.
Oh, yeah, that'd be brilliant.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, until then, let's just get him out of our heads, shall we?
How?
We could always talk about my Christmas present.
No, as if I'm going to tell. It is a surprise.
Surprise? Oh, now I love surprises. What's it going to be? Big, small, edible, sexy?
Never you mind.
Ooh, here we go.
What do you think you were playing at? I can't believe you could be so stupid.
I'm sorry.
Sorry? You will be if thanks to our Katie.
I'm just mad at him for what he'd done to you. I just wanted everything to be like it was. I'm sorry, Dad.
It's my fault, not yours. Filling your head with all that stuff.
How long will it be till his brakes fail?
I don't know. Depends how much he uses them. If there's not much traffic, it could be alright, but if it's busy... But don't worry, we'll find them.
I want to see a Davy for Christmas.
What does he want? Have you asked him?
That's him, innit? I've got him. Oh! Flaming idiot! Can't believe that! Get out of my way! It's been left in it. Come on!
Damn it, we're gonna lose him!
No, we'll be alright when we get round this van. Oh, come on. Come on.
Daddy's turning left.
Yeah, got him. Come on, mate! Come on!
Daddy's gone!
Yeah, I've got him!
Where is he?
Oh, I don't know. And we've lost him. Craig, will you stop stating the obvious?
Craig went at school today, Miss Beale.
Well, maybe you should go round and see him.
On my part, I don't think his dad will want me going round there.
Well, it's Angela I feel sorry for. Glad I invited her for Christmas. Oh, and your dad is coming, by the way.
Oh, sorted.
But that means Katie will be here as well, remember?
Yeah, she's not so bad. Anyway, I'm not bothered as long as my dad's here.
Come on! B.
No.
W.
I am not telling you what it begins with. You'll just have to wait.
X. That's not going to be a xylophone, is it?
No. Right, I'll see you later anyway. Bye.
Alright, see ya.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know, do I?
There's Katie.
Thank God for that. Right, you. Just stay here and don't say a word. Katie!
What are you doing here?
Is Martin with you?
Have you been following us? You haven't, you?
Is he with you or not?
No, he isn't. Why can't you just leave us alone?
Where's he gone?
Like I tell you.
Look, I just want to talk to him, that's all.
Yeah, and we all know what that means, don't we? Oh, and what is he doing?
Look, I ain't got time for this.
Get off me, Dad.
Has he gone to work? He has, hasn't he?
Don't you dare go after him! Craig, come here!
No, I'm staying with me, Dad.
Hello?
It's me. Listen, my dad's after you.
You what?
Well, he's been following us. He just pulled up now, wanted to know where you were. I didn't tell him, but he guessed you're going to work. Look, I'm scared, Matt, and he's in a right state.
Yeah, alright. Just calm down.
Well, do you think I should call the police?
No, don't be daft. If I see him, I'll just lock my doors, okay?
You promise?
Yeah, I promise. Stop worrying.
Okay. Right, well, I'll see you later.
See ya.
There he is.
Oh no. Right.
He's pulling up.
Yeah, come on, Tommy. Let's see what you think of this then.
What are you doing, you idiot? got you.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Of all the flaming times to play games.
What if we can't catch up? What if he crashes before we get to him?
Oh, where's he gone? That's him there, isn't it? Thank God for that. Okay. Oh no, Martin, just wait here.
Easy, doing.
Daddy's speeding up. I'm going to try and get alongside him. Wind your window down. Why didn't you look up?